Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Replace your center support bearing like a pro, an easy step-by-step guide. Feeling a shake or vibration in your vehicle can be unsettling, and if it's coming from the drivetrain area, a worn center support bearing might be the culprit. This small but crucial component helps maintain the stability of the drive shaft in rear wheel and some four-wheel drive vehicles. Replacing a center support bearing isn't just about quieting that annoying vibration. It's about preventing further damage to your vehicle's drivetrain system. Whether you're a seasoned DI or deciding if you need professional service, understanding the signs of a failing bearing and the steps involved in replacing it can save you time and money. Let's break down what you need to know about replacing a center support bearing and how to tell if it's time to tackle this task. Understanding center support bearings. When it comes to your vehicle's drivetrain system, the center support bearing plays a crucial role in ensuring smooth operation and stability. Let's learn what a center support bearing is and the functions it performs. What is a center support bearing? The center support bearing, also known as the carrier bearing, is a component of a two-piece driveshaft assembly found in rear-wheel or four-wheel drive vehicles. Positioned in the center of the driveshaft, this bearing supports the shaft and helps to reduce vibrations and noise while the driveshaft rotates. Functions of a center support bearing. 1. Supporting the driveshaft. One of the primary functions of the center support bearing is to support the weight of the driveshaft. As the shaft rotates at high speeds, the bearing helps maintain alignment and prevents excessive movement. 2. Vibration dampening. The center support bearing absorbs vibrations generated by the rotation of the driveshaft. By dampening these vibrations, it contributes to a smoother and quieter ride for the driver and passengers. 3. Maintaining alignment. In addition to supporting the driveshaft, the center support bearing helps to maintain proper alignment between the transmission and the differential. This alignment is crucial for the efficient transfer of power from the engine to the wheels. Understanding the role of the center support bearing in your vehicle's drivetrain system is essential for recognizing when issues may arise and the need for potential maintenance or replacement. Signs of a failing center support bearing. When it comes to your vehicle's center support bearing, being aware of the signs of failure can save you from costly repairs down the road. Here are some common indications that your center support bearing may be failing. Unusual noises or vibrations. One of the earliest signs of a failing center support bearing is the presence of unusual noises while driving. You may notice a persistent humming, grinding, or squeaking sound coming from the underside of your vehicle. These noises can indicate that the bearing is worn out and needs attention. Vibrations, especially at higher speeds, can also point to issues with the center support bearing. Drivetrain misalignment issues. Another sign of a failing center support bearing is drivetrain misalignment. If you experience difficulty shifting gears, jerking movements while accelerating or decelerating, or a noticeable difference in the smoothness of your drive, it could be due to a worn-out center support bearing causing drivetrain misalignment. Visible wear and tear. Inspecting the center support bearing for visible wear and tear can also help diagnose potential issues. Look for cracks, tears, or signs of corrosion on the bearing itself. Additionally, check for any looseness or movement in the bearing when the driveshaft is manipulated. Visual cues of deterioration can confirm suspicions of a failing center support bearing. Being attentive to these signs can help you address center support bearing problems promptly, preventing further damage to your vehicle's drivetrain and ensuring a smoother driving experience. If you notice any of these symptoms, it's advisable to have your center support bearing inspected and replaced if necessary to maintain the optimal performance of your vehicle. Tools and materials required for center support bearing replacement. When embarking on a center support bearing replacement task, it's crucial to have the right tools and materials at your disposal. Let's delve into the essential items you'll need to complete the job. Lifting equipment. To begin, you'll require a reliable jack or lift to elevate your vehicle safely. A sturdy jack stand will also come in handy to provide additional support once the vehicle is lifted off the ground. Ensuring your vehicle is stable and secure during the replacement process is pivotal for a seamless operation. Safety gear. Prioritize your safety with the appropriate gear, including heavy-duty gloves to protect your hands from sharp edges and debris. Safety goggles are essential to shield your eyes from any potential hazards while working under the vehicle. Additionally, wearing sturdy work boots can provide the necessary grip and protection in a fast-paced environment. Replacement center support bearing. The heart of the operation, the replacement center support bearing, is the key component you'll need to switch out. Make sure to leverage high-quality replacement parts to guarantee optimal performance and durability. Choose a bearing specifically designed for your vehicle's make and model to ensure a precise fit. Other necessary tools. In addition to the essential lifting equipment, safety gear, and replacement bearing, there are a few other tools that will make the replacement process more efficient. A socket wrench set with various socket sizes will allow you to loosen and tighten bolts with ease. A torque wrench is essential for applying the correct amount of force to secure bolts to the manufacturer's specifications. Don't forget to have a sturdy lug wrench on hand to help remove the vehicle's wheels swiftly. By having these tools and materials ready before you begin the center support bearing replacement, you'll be well equipped to tackle the task effectively and efficiently. Remember, safety should always be your top priority, so don't overlook the importance of proper safety gear and equipment throughout the replacement process. That concludes part 1 of our center support bearing replacement guide. We hope you found the preparation steps helpful in setting the stage for a successful repair. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll dive into the actual replacement process. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.